Have you ever heard of that saying, if you want something done right, you got to do it yourself? Yeah, that. Howdy y'all, this is Echo 3 Lima. Welcome back if you have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, you should probably subscribe in order to join me on my journey to financial literacy, freedom, the hoes, journey to everything. In this quick little video, we're going to be going over how exactly I chose my Forex mentor to show me the way, if you will. Real quick, reasons why we might want to consider a mentor. Let's say that me, for example, I have never sailed a boat in my life and I want to go to Antarctica. Oh, now. Am I gonna have a clue what to do to get to Antarctica? The first thing, I have no freaking idea what I would do. But if I would have like Captain Joe to come with me that had sailed the seas for like 30 years and, you know, been on multiple tours and stuff like that, or, you know, they've gone to many places on a boat, you know, even one day is a lot more than I would have any experience to do with sailing ever in my life. Point is, what would be the better idea? To do it by myself and suffer and possibly die? Or go with the captain? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like in the past, I've tried to learn software engineering all by myself. Did I waste a whole bunch of time and wasted 2 years of my life trying to learn how to code, but end up going nowhere with it because I didn't have the proper training? Yeah, didn't go nowhere. Should I have learned with someone that actually knew what the they were talking about? Yeah. With that being said, let's move on with the video. I think the first thing you should do is go to babypips.com. Sorry, I'm gonna do that again. Go to babypips.com. It's awesome. It's free. It defines everything underneath the sun of Forex that you could possibly learn about, like indicators, like Fibonacci, like price action. What is a candlestick? Anything regarding information about Forex, yeah, that's the place to go. It is important to understand and speak the language of Forex, because if you don't understand the language, how would you know if someone's ripping you off? You know, like somebody could just say buzzwords like indicator does this, and to a person that might not know a lot of information about, you know, might not have a great vast array of knowledge of Forex, could possibly be like, wow, this guy really knows what he's talking about because he says a lot of fancy words. And so you just might believe it, or, you know, maybe you're smarter than me, because yeah, when I was first starting off on this, I used to think everyone's a genius and I would be making YouTube videos about how to trade. But as soon as I started learning the language, and you can kind of see through the bullshit as far as who the hell knew what they were talking about, because there'd be some people that didn't really understand the concept of divergence. Point is, if you understand how to speak the language of Forex, it's gonna be giving you better chances of finding to just separate the bullshit mentors from the good ones. Long story short, it's awesome. Go to it. I made a review video in case you guys are interested and you want a quick little overview of what it is or what it's about. Go watch that, or up there, or whatever. All right, next step. Once you feel like you have a good idea of the terminology and how to speak the language, start shopping around. Go on YouTube, start looking at different traders that claim to, you know, be hot. You know, just look at their videos, see if you're like their style, and make sure that their style matches your lifestyle. And what I mean by that is, for example, for me, I can't be in front of a computer all day because I got a job. I gotta work for a living. So being a scalper wouldn't exactly work out for me. I'm more of a day trader slash swing trader. And also, check how they talk. If they look like they're confident in what they're saying, and also if you check what they're saying checks out, chances are he knows what they're talking about. And also see if they have my FX books, because that does not lie. It reveals if it's a demo trading account or if it's live. Results are results. So definitely check that out if they do provide that. And make sure your guy actually trades, because there's some people that, don't trade, and they say, hey, you should sign up in my team, but they don't trade. So don't join the MLM. And lastly, don't be cheap. If you got to pay some money in order to take a course from a guy that you actually believe that actually has a good knowledge, pay the man or the chick. Like, if they know wealth of knowledge that is going to make you millions of dollars, and it's only going to cost you like 100, 200, 300, 500 bucks, what are you doing? Throw that money at the course. Take it, because that's going to make you money later on in the long run. I know it may seem a little bit daunting to throw your maybe $500 at a course, but if you did your research, like all those little examples that I mentioned about my FX books, checking out if he actually knows what he's talking about in his videos, seeing reviews, yada yada, you're good. You shouldn't be worried about losing any of that money if you've done your due diligence, So And just a quick reminder again, try not to do this by yourself. I did the mistake again of trying to do it by myself. I was having a hard freaking time trying to reinvent the wheel, and I'm seeing all my other peers excelling, doing way better than me, getting better results. I was just stuck just spinning my wheels, because that was being cheap. Get a mentor, because trust me, it's gonna help you. Again, example, if you're bad with women, what do? You get a professional. Where the hell is this place at? Are you Beat Cheeks Blake?
Eddie's, fam. What is it that you seek?
I seek bitches, but I just don't know how to get them.
I got you, fam. Do you have a pen? Remember these wise words. If she say, what are we? I say we can kick it. If she drives an '06 Nissan Altima with no hubcaps, she belongs in the streets. We're not toxic. They toxic. If she asks, what do you like about me? I tell her, it ain't your beauty, it's your booty. If your booty fat, you know where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hold that thought right quick. Let me holler at this real quick.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Just text it to me. Okay. Text it to me later. Alright, bye.
Where was I? If she tell you, no pussy for you tonight, you tell her, nah, B. No pussy from you tonight. Did you get that? Welcome to the industry.
All right, bro. Thanks, man. Catch you later.
Hey, but before you go, here's a complimentary gift from Booty Sweat Industries. Something for you. Subscribe to us every month. $24.99. You get a bottle. You get other accessories like upgrade on chains, some watches, glasses, a free snapback, all that stuff every month. $24.99. Subscribe.
All right, I'm gonna fuck with you. Also, want to give a quick shout out to Swaggy C. He has the course Swag Academy. I'm not an affiliate of the course at all whatsoever. I have no connection with Swaggy C. If you're hearing this, thank you so much for being my mentor, even though you'll probably never see this. Thank you. I'll probably be making a review video pretty soon of the newly updated version of Swag Academy, because Swaggy C is updating his academy. So I'll definitely make a review video about his new stuff. So hopefully it'll be awesome, and I'll post it up as soon as I'm done with it. So quick little update in case if anyone cares or gives a prior to getting a mentor, when I was just spinning my wheels, just trying to learn on my own, back testing, if I was lucky, I was averaging 5% per month net profit. It's not sexy. But with my Swag Academy training that I've gone through, finished it, both courses, the basic one and the pro one, I am averaging around 50% net per month. So that's a big jump. Now that I'm done back testing, I have been trading since 4 days ago in the live market, so paper trading. So no monies yet. Starting to get used to the pace of trading in a live market. It's a little bit tough. I'm getting used to it, but yeah, I just cannot lose confidence in my strategy because I'm getting wrecked right now. But it's just all about finding the balance of how to check the charts and when to execute, yada yada. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and probably, turn on those alerts so you get another video from me if you like me. If not, well, you. Have a good one.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?